Hi guys! On the way kami ngayon to Osaka Castle. Tara, explore natin yung place. Hi guys! On the way kami ngayon to Osaka Castle. Tara, explore natin yung place with Cousin! Osaka Castle guys. First time kong makapunta dito sa place na ito. So from our Airbnb, nag-train lang kami going here. Madali lang pala siya pagbaba mo ng train station. Lalakad ka lang ng konti. Tapos doon na yon.
Pasok ko sa park nila.
Oo. Papasok ka sa park. Sobrang lawak pala nitong park na ito. As in, sobrang lawak. Tignan mo dun guys, so ang daming tao. Yun o. Tapos, blooming na yung sakura nila. Siguro mga 60% bloom na. Kaya ang ganda. Makulay yung paligid ng park. Ang ganda. Ang luwag ng place. Tignan nyo to guys. Tara. Ang daming tao dito sa park, guys. Sobrang dami. Tapos, nakabili kasi ako ng ticket doon sa castle through Klook. Mamaya, i-redeem natin. Pupunta tayo sa castle para ma-check natin kung anong meron sa castle. Pero itong area na to, sobrang lawak niya. Kaya pala ang daming mga tao na nagpupunta dito. Actually, free area naman to. Free siya pag papasok ka. Pero, kung papasok ka dun sa castle, yun yung may bayad. Pero dito sa around the area, free. Tapos ang dami ditong nagpipiknik. Tapos mga magbabarkada, magpa-family. Dito lang sila kumakain within the area. Tignan nyo guys, ang dami. Dito sa likod ko, sobrang dami ng tao. So guys, tara, explore natin ang Osaka. Explore natin ang Osaka Castle. So ayun nga, naglalakad na kami papunta sa Osaka Castle. At guys, tingnan nyo naman ang luwag ng park nila. Eto, ang daming tao, yan, nagpipicture-picture, picture taking, and dito sa side na to guys, ang ganda ng view dito. Tingnan nyo naman. So, dito, blooming na yung kanilang cherry blossoms. Tingnan nyo guys, diba? Sobrang ganda. Ang ganda ng view dito. Tapos yung river, napakalinis.
Kasi ito yung maganda ang bulo. Ang ganda.
So, lakad-lakad lang. At alam nyo ba, tignan nyo naman, nakaka-amaze talaga yung park nila. Alam nyo, sobrang luwag talaga ng park nila. Tapos, ang ganda ng yung landscaping. Tapos, yung mga flowers. Tapos, yung mga, tingnan nyo, ito yung mga halaman. Sobrang luwag talaga ng park nila. Kaya nakaka-amaze. So, habang naglalakad kami inside the park, doon ko na-realize kung gaano pala kalaki yung place na to. I didn't expect Osaka Castle Park to be this massive. There are so many open spaces, trees, gardens, and walking paths. Even though there were many visitors, the place still felt relaxing and peaceful. One thing I really love about Japan is how they take care of nature and public places. Everything looks clean, organized, and well maintained. Even the small details like the flowers, the landscaping, and the arrangement of the gardens are so beautiful. I feel like this is the kind of place where you can spend the whole day just walking around, sitting under the trees, and appreciating the scenery. This place gives a very calm feeling. Even if you're tired from traveling, walking here somehow feels relaxing instead of exhausting. I can understand now why so many tourists and even locals love visiting Osaka Castle Park during cherry blossom season. Habang naglalakad kami guys, nakita naman namin itong beautiful river view. Mapapawaw ka talaga. So just wow! The combinations of the sakura trees beside the river, the calm water, and the cool breeze made the whole experience feel so unreal. I think this became one of my favorite parts of the visit. The reflections of the trees on the water look so beautiful, especially when the sunlight hits perfectly. This is the kind of moment where you just stop talking for a while and simply enjoy what's in front of you. I also noticed a lot of people sitting quietly near the river, taking photos, eating snacks, or simply appreciating the view. And honestly, I understand why. Places like this remind you to slow down and enjoy simple moments. I wish I could fully capture how beautiful it looks in real life because the camera honestly doesn't give it enough justice. And now guys, palapit na kami sa Osaka Castle, and while walking towards it, I became more amazed because the park just keeps getting more beautiful. There are wide pathways, giant trees, flower gardens, and so many scenic spots around. Every few minutes I kept saying, wow, because there's always something nice to see. I also noticed that many people come here not just for sightseeing, but also for jogging, biking, picnics, and relaxing. It feels like Osaka Castle is more than just a tourist destination. It's also a place where people can breathe, rest, and enjoy nature.
Ito yung maghugas ko. Maghugas ka, dali. Tapos gaganunin mo yung kamay mo.
And there it is guys, the Osaka Castle. Grabe, seeing it in person for the first time feels surreal. Alam mo yung feeling na nakita mo lang dati sa pictures or sa mga videos, tapos finally, nasa harap mo na siya. Ganun yung feeling ko right now. Seeing it in person for the first time is such an amazing feeling. It looks so grand and majestic. The design is absolutely beautiful, especially with the gold details and the traditional Japanese architecture. I've seen photos before, but standing here in front feels completely different. You can feel the history of the place. I also love how the castle stands proudly in the middle of all the beautiful nature surrounding it. The sakura trees around the castle make the entire view even more magical. This is definitely one of those places that you should see at least once in your life. The atmosphere, the scenery, and the overall experience are unforgettable. And now, we're inside Osaka Castle. And honestly, sobrang interesting din pala sa loob because you can really learn more about Japanese history here. Inside, you can really learn more about the history of Osaka and the castle itself. There are displays, historical information, artifacts, and different exhibits that tell the story of the place. I honestly enjoyed walking around and reading about the history because it made me appreciate the castle even more. Sometimes when we visit famous places, we only focus on taking pictures.
Uy, alam mo.
Tingnan nyo guys yung view from inside the castle. You can see the entire park, the river, the trees, and even the city from up here. The contrast between the modern city and the historical castle is so beautiful. It's honestly one of the best views I've ever seen during this trip. Yun guys, nakababa na kami from the castle. Kaso, hindi siya pwedeng mag-take ng photo sa loob. Pwede ka lang doon sa pinaka rooftop, yung roof deck nila. Okay. Yun lang yung pwedeng kuhanan. So, palabas na tayo. Actually guys,
worth it naman yung pagpunta roon. Tapos, ang mangyayari doon, makikita mo talaga yung history ng Japan dito sa Osaka Castle. So, nakalabas na kami.
簡単な足のチェックだけ行わせてください。あとは、Let me check the wind。ウィンドチェック。最後、数のチェックだけ行って本編スタートです。では行きましょう。ウィンドチェック。Let's go。最後に1回だけ、ちょっと毛玉高めに投げます。ハイヤーってやつ。で、ハイヤー。
Eto guys, so tignan nyo yung mga bulaklak. Actually, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng mga bulaklak na ganyan. As in, nakikita nyo yan na very fresh yan na mga bulaklak. Diba kakaiba yung mga bulaklak dito sa Japan?
So guys, ang Osaka Castle ay isa sa pinaka-famous na landmark dito sa Osaka. So, super important ito sa history ng Japan, especially during the samurai era. According to history, itinayo noong 1583 ni Toyotomi Hideyoshi, isang powerful samurai leader. Kung pupunta kayo doon guys sa castle, mababasa nyo ang history ni Toyotomi. So, naging symbol yun guys ng unification ng Japan. Nasira at ni-rebuild daw nila maraming beses dahil sa war at lightning. So guys, ang ganda talaga ng Osaka Castle. Sobrang ganda at saka sobrang lawak. Grabe. Sobrang lawak, 140 hectares yung lawak nito. Grabe guys, ang ganda, tignan nyo. Ito yung river nila. River, sobrang ganda ng river nila at saka sobrang linis. Talagang yung place, inaalagaan talaga ng mga Japanese people. Ang ganda guys, no? At saka sobrang linis. Sobrang discipline din yung mga tao. Yun guys, nakarating na kami sa loob ng castle. Sobrang lawak, no?
Yeah, grabe.
Ang lawak niya,
That
ilang
is nice.
Oo, ilang square meters
Yung
to.
paglalakad natin, worth it naman.
Oo nga eh.
Pag-akyat sa hagdan.
Kaya nga, sobrang lawak nitong castle na to. Yung pagpasok pa nga lang namin dito sa castle, sobrang lawak pala nito. Tapos, ang ganda, as in talagang sobrang ganda. Pati yung mga halaman nila. Yun.
Tapos yung history, grabe.
Oo. Yung history pala ng Japan, guys, grabe. Talagang tinitreasure talaga nila yung history nila.
Ayan, tignan mo yung sakura.
Ayan guys, dami ring mga sakura kasi pang cherry blossoms ngayon pero hindi pa lahat bumukas. Siguro mga 70% pa lang. Oo, dito. Dito tayo. Ang ganda, no? Di ba ang ganda?
Joy!
Oo nga. Ang ganda. Tignan nyo guys yung yung sakura nila.
Smell the fragrance of sakura.
Grabe guys, oh.
Super
dahil,
bango.
Oo, dahil nag-bloom na siya, muntik nang may pumasok na bee dito sa tenga ko. Tignan nyo guys, ayan yung sakura nila. So itong buong park na to, punong-puno to ng sakura cherry blossom. Hanggang doon sa may pinakadulo. Kaso, oo, nasa 60% blooming pa lang siya. Pero yung other parts, bumuka na siya. Tingnan nyo guys, so itong laki ng park na to, sobrang lawak. Ang ganda dito. Talagang history ng Osaka. So, yun guys, habang palabas kami ng Osaka Castle Park, parang ayaw pa naming umuwi honestly. Ang peaceful kasi talaga ng place. From the sakura blooms, the river view, the gardens, hanggang sa castle itself, parang every part of this place may sariling charm. Hindi lang siya basta magandang tourist spot guys. Parang isa siya sa mga places na mapapastop ka talaga na ma-appreciate mo yung simple moments. And habang naglalakad kami palabas, mas na-feel ko kung bakit sobrang special ng Japan during eto cherry blossom season. Ibang klase talaga yung atmosphere kapag surrounded ka ng cherry blossoms and nature. Nakaka-relax siya mentally. Parang kahit pagod ka sa biyahe, nawawala because of the peaceful surroundings. Honestly, this visit reminded me na minsan, kailangan din talaga nating mag-slow down and enjoy the moment. Hindi puro rush, hindi puro trabaho, work. Sometimes, simple walks, beautiful views, and quiet moments are enough para sumaya. And I'm really thankful na na-experience ko ito today. Definitely, isa ito guys sa memories na hindi ko makakalimutan. So, ayun guys, that's our Osaka Castle experience. I honestly enjoyed every moment here, from the sakura blooms, the beautiful river view, the peaceful park, the gardens, and of course, the amazing Osaka Castle itself. If you ever visit Japan during spring season, I highly recommend adding Osaka Castle to your itinerary.